Hi, this is Suzanne for Rainbow Loom. Today I'll be showing you how to make the single rhombus bracelet. This is a beginner level design. To make this bracelet you will need 12 A colored bands, 9 B colored bands, 12 C colored bands, 6 D colored bands, and a C clip. I will be using black, red, pink, and green. This color combination is also known as the caterpillar bracelet. It's a good idea to have your supplies ready before you begin, so pause the video here until you're ready to follow along. Now let's get started. Place your loom so that the red arrow is pointing away from you. Follow the diagram on your screen to place the first 6 bands. We'll start from the middle pin and place band 1B. Slide that down. The next band we place will be band 2A. So we grab an A colored band and stretch it to the forward pin. Band 3C. Then we place 4D. Then 5A. And 6C. I'll repeat this pattern one more time and then I'll fast forward to the end of the loom. We'll place band 1B, 2A, 3C, and 4D. 5A, and 6C. We'll fast forward from here. Refer to the diagram on your screen until you reach the end of the loom. And on this last pin, we'll place band B to connect those two. And there we finish placing our bands. We'll need to place a cap band on this last pin. Grab a B colored band, place 2 fingers through each side, twist it into a figure 8, turn it back upon itself, and place it on this last pin. Now we're ready to start looping the bands. Turn the loom so that the red arrow is pointing toward you. Refer to the graphic on your screen as you loop the first 6 bands. We'll start from the left pin. With your hook, pull back the cap band and you'll be grabbing a B colored band, it's the top band, and pull it out to the right. Hold the cap band down with your thumb. As you loop that band, notice that it makes that teardrop shape. That shows you that you've pulled the right band. Then we'll loop band 2C. You can reach in here, pull back the cap band, grab the C band, and pull it forward. We'll loop band 3A. You can reach in the point of that teardrop, pull that band back, slide your hook up through the channel, grab the A band, and pull it forward. Then we'll loop band 4D. Reach in here, grab your D band, it's the top band, and pull it into the center pin. We'll loop band 5C, pull this band back, grab your C band, and pull it forward. Band 6A will be looped up the center, pull all the bands above that band back, reach in with your hook, grab it, and pull it forward. We'll do that one more time. Loop band 1B. 2C. 3A. Pull all the bands above it back and pull it forward. 4D. Your D band is the top one in there. Pull that to the center. Then we'll loop band 5C and 6A. We'll fast forward from here. Refer to the diagram on your screen as you follow this pattern until you reach the end of the loom. Now that we've finished looping the bands, we're ready to finish the bracelet. On this last pin, you'll pull all the bands up to the top of that pin. Slide your hook down through the channel of that last pin and tilt it out to the side. You'll place a B-colored band on the end of your hook and pull back, and then slide your hook up through that channel and place both ends of the band up on your hook and slide it to the thickest part. Then with your fingers, you'll grab the bands and start pulling them from the pins and pull your bracelet from the loom. If made on one loom, this bracelet will need to be extended to fit a wrist comfortably. Place your loom with the red arrow pointing away from you. To extend the bracelet, you must first decide how many additional bands you'll need. Smaller wrists may need only 3 or 4 bands. Larger wrists may need 6 or more. You'll place that number of bands along one side of the loom in a single chain until you reach the desired length. And then you will place the cap band from your bracelet on this last pin. Now we placed an A-colored cap band on this bracelet, so you locate the cap band and stretch the cap band from this last pin to the one behind it. Then you loop the single chain and after you loop the last band, you'll stretch it to the center pin and that creates an area here where you can attach your C-clip. You grab your C-clip with the open side facing forward and snap it over those bands. Make sure it's on securely and pull your extension from the loom. The other end of your bracelet, you pull the hook away, slide your 2 fingers through that band, and this creates another area where you can attach the other side of your C-clip. You move all the bands over to one side of your C-clip and then place it over the others, and then it's securely on. And there we have your finished single rhombus bracelet.